Porsche 964 owners, gentlemen, start your engines. We're looking at beautiful work here at Heritage for the factory sport seats in black Napa leather. You see how they turned out, just like brand new, just like the factory. And we're very pleased with the results. Sure, the customer will be as well. Notice the details. Perfect twin needle stitch in, perforations, twin needle stitching here. Two different machines at different widths. We have, and I mentioned that many times before, most shops don't have the access to that kind of expensive equipment. They try to make this in 2 single passes impossible, which is why you need the twin needle machine. And you can see all the waves in other people's work. You can see the results here, just absolutely fantastic. So I just wanted to show these. You can see just perfect. There's no other word to describe it. Very proud of these. This is a sports seat from, I believe, 1989 to 94 from memory. And they're available here at Heritage AC.